Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have something from FidgetBoy3D on Etsy. I got the FidgetBoy in blue-green color shift. And I got it because it's color shift and I like blue and I like green. And so it was a very simple choice for me. Before that, they had like this he had like this blurple, and then it was out of stock, and then I saw this blue green and I was like, well, I should get that. And then he got blurple again. The purple again when I had already ordered it. And so yeah. Story of my life. But yeah, so it was an easy choice, and I got the one that looks like a Game Boy because I like, well, that was my first console, Game Boy. And wait a minute, there's more than one. Wait a minute, wait just a dang second here. There's more than one. It's the blurple that I was talking about. Guys, he sent me a blurple, a purple, blue, a pink, purple, blue, a pink words, but he sent me the one that I wanted, that I was gonna buy, like a psychic. Whoa. And then the one that I got, check that out. Damn. I wanted to see how these plates would look, which is why I got it. Because it just like, they look really cool. It looked really, really cool in the pictures. I was like, how the heck is this gonna look in real life? And check it out. It looks sweet. Wow. It's incredibly comfortable. They're like, they are nice. These are really, really comfortable to use. I have the, whoa. Whoa. I have the Boo Boo Boy. Ta-da! That's the only other Fidget Boy that I have. Come on. I like that this is quieter. Whoa. That is nice. Whoa. check these out. It's so, move this one out of the way. FidgetBoy. Whoa, it's so cool. I just cannot get over it, guys. These color shift ones are sweet. And the FidgetBoy is just like, the shape is really, really nice to hold. It's Alright, I gotta flip this back over. It's slick, it is very slick. It is easy to move. Look at this. It's just like, I can manipulate it with my thumb, the ball of my thumb, like, very easily. And yeah. I think the FidgetBoy has become my favorite shape now. Oops. What am I doing? At like 24.5 grams. Yeah. Let's see, the Boo Boo Boy. So they're similar weights. I have to reach. I have my tools hanging up like on my wall, and I don't know why I don't get my tools ready before the video. So it's about 43 by 32 by 16.6, 16.7. Where's my pen for comparison? Damn it. Dropping everything. Okay. Single FidgetBoy next to a pen. No. 2 FidgetBoys next to a pen. That's about it. Man, A+. Seems quieter than this one. But I don't know. Mix and match. It doesn't work. All right, so yeah, this has been an unboxing and review of the FidgetBoy in blue-green shift, along with the unexpected FidgetBoy in pink-purple shift. No, wait, is it pink, purple, blue shift? Purple, it's shifting colors, and it's pretty. And, yeah. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'll put the link to his Etsy in my, description. My brain just died. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. But these colors are gone already, and he doesn't do the same ones over again, unfortunately. But hopefully there will be similar ones in the future, and you guys can get your own. But yeah, you guys should definitely check out the FidgetBoy model, because it is very, very comfortable just in the hand. And just to use in general, just to like play with. Oh gosh. Yeah, so check it out and have a fantastic day or night or time or whatever it is. Just have fantastic. That's not a sentence. Be fantastic. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you like it, and if you want to subscribe, it really helps. And yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.